everyone. Imagine if your brain could work at double speed. What would life be like? Let's dive into this fascinating thought experiment. First off, let's talk about reaction time. Normally, it takes about 250 milliseconds for your brain to process visual information and react to it. But with a brain working twice as fast, you'd be processing that same information in around 125 milliseconds. This means you'd see things coming way before they actually happen, almost like having a superpower. But it's not all about speed. Imagine how much more information you could absorb. Reading a book in half the time, mastering a new language in weeks instead of months, or becoming a chess grandmaster in record-breaking time. Your learning abilities would skyrocket. Now, let's think about creativity. With double-speed processing, your brain could make connections between ideas faster, leading to a surge in creativity. More innovative solutions, more brilliant artwork, more groundbreaking theories. The possibilities are endless, but there are downsides too. Our brains need downtime to process and consolidate information. If your brain is always on overdrive, you might struggle to find moments of peace. And don't forget about sleep. We need a good night's rest to recharge and maintain mental health. A brain working at double speed might demand even more rest, or you could risk burnout. And what about social interactions? Conversations might become frustrating. While you're zipping through ideas, others might seem to be moving in slow motion. Miscommunication could become more common. Patience would definitely be a virtue. Also, our brain's speed is linked to our overall physiology. Doubling its speed might mean needing twice the energy. Imagine the amount of food you'd need to consume. You'd probably be eating like an athlete just to keep up. So, while a supercharged brain sounds amazing, it comes with its own set of challenges. Imagine the balance you'd need to strike between harnessing that speed and maintaining your well-being. In the end, it's a fun thought experiment, but reminds us of the importance of balance. Our brains have evolved to work at their current speed for a reason. Sometimes, slow and steady really does win the race. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Until next time, keep wondering.